In this video, I'm going to show you how to add referral code in Exness after registration. Now, the only way to actually do this, and the closest to this you can get, is when you have an account. Click on down here at the bottom right where you can see this chat window, and then the Exness AI assistant is going to basically pop up, and you want to say to him, can I add a partner code? And he's going to say that if you want to add a partner code, this typically means you want to change your partner. You can do so by using your unique change partner link. Here it is. And then you're going to get the link. You want to click on that link, and a separate tab will open up in your browser where you can then go ahead and change your partner link or put in your referral code. Okay, so as you can see, you have to select the reason for a partner change, and then you have to put in new partner's link or wallet account number. And here you have to basically say where did you find your new partner and leave a comment, click on submit, and you are done. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.